Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Face ID not recognizing my face. If you are using any iPhone or any iPad and you're facing the issue that whenever you try to use your Face ID, you might see an error which is Face ID not recognize face. So let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing, you just have to try to check your camera, your in-depth camera. You have to make sure that there's no any dirt or any dust on your front camera. If you find, just try to clean your camera. After cleaning your camera, just go to your settings here, go to general, go to software update, and try to update your software. After updating software, simply go back and try to make a forced restart with your iPhone to fix minor glitches. Now to do that, you have to quickly press on the volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until its screen goes fully black. And here, once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo. And once you get the Apple logo, just release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. After restarting, just unlock your phone. And here you have to retry to check if your issue has been fixed or not. If it's still not fixed your issue, so you can try to reset your Face ID settings. So now to do this, you have to simply go to your settings app. And here go to Face ID and passcode. Enter your iPhone passcode, and you just have to try to reset your Face ID if you haven't enabled stolen device protection. So you can easily reset your Face ID from here. After resetting, just try to reset up your Face ID, or you can also try to set up alternative appearance. Or after doing this, if you're still facing the same issue, so you can try to reset all settings of your iPhone. So go to your settings app here, go to general, go to transfer reset iPhone, select reset, then select reset all settings, and here enter your iPhone passcode, and then you can easily reset all settings. So after resetting all settings, if there will be any setting issue with your iPhone, it will be fixed in the step and you'll not get the issue again. But after doing this, if you're still facing the same issue, so you can try to check your in-depth or your front camera if it's physically damaged or not. If you might see that the camera has been damaged, so you have to try to repair this, or you can also try to contact the Apple Support team to get official help. Now to do this, you have to simply go to Apple Support app, and here just select your device. In my case, I'm gonna select my iPhone from here, then tap on this more option and select Face ID. Select the get more help option from here, then tap on call us. After that, you will find a phone number. Whenever you want to talk, you have to simply dial this phone number and you will be connected with Apple Support team member. You can discuss about your issue and get official help from there. So after that, your issue will be fixed. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.